Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my master pages. And I'm going to go into master page B. And this is where I'm going to set up information or content that, in theory or hypothetically would show up on every page of this website. The things that we're not going to work with right now are going to be the content area frame and our sidebar. We're going to leave these both blank because hypothetically, again, if we were dealing with a multi-page site, these bits would be changing over and over. Whereas the navigation bar and, the header and the footer, those are going to remain the same. And those are your consistent elements. So I'm going to start off, you're going to click the B master page. And I'm going to go to my layers. Let's go into the header. And I'm going to start with this navigation bar. I'm going to go to my Word doc. And it looks like I'm starting with the bottom navigation, so that's going to be the second grouping here. So I'm just going to hit Command C to copy. And now with this box selected, I'm going to get the type tool. And if I hover into that frame, I should be able to click into it. And I'm going to hit Command V as in Victor to paste. Now I'm going to do the same for the top navigation bar. Go back to my copy. And what we're going to do is we're just going to plug in our information where it needs to be. The other thing that's nice about using a Word doc is that it gives you a spell check right from the get-go. Oops. Command C. D. Now I need... I left out that other bit of information. Oh, you know what? I included it in... Locations... No, that's not right. Yeah, let me see here. Mm-hmm.
How did you get the words to move around? Like what you do?
So you have follow and search. And yes, you can just type it in. When you type it in, make sure you separate them with a paragraph. So you'll type in follow, hit enter, and then search. I'm going to do more information. So right now I'm running into some trouble with selecting a box. If you run into the situation, it's usually best to go to your layers panel, and here you can select the frame that you want to choose without having to fuss with, you know, aiming your mouse at a really thin line. There. Paste that in there. Let's go to the other one. Take the copyright now. And just for a heads up, if you need to know how to make a copyright symbol, that's Option G on a Mac keyboard. Okay, so now I've placed all of my text. And I'm going to pause right here.
Top right, search and what?